With the storage cleats created and installed, we are ready to start thinking about the storage bottom. According to our parts list, the storage bottom is a 1/4 inch oak veneer plywood. This measuring 15 3/4 by 45 inches. The 15 3/4 by 45, I'm going to wait on those measurements and double check on my project because I could be off a little bit. Now I will be pulling this from a partial sheet of plywood. This plywood is a 1/4 inch thick. The sheet is 96 inches long, which will easily yield me my 45-inch length. I am currently 32 inches wide, which will easily yield me my 15 3/4. And I do want to verify those measurements. 45 1/32 by 45 1/32. Front to back, I am 15 7/8 by 15 7/8. So I am just an 1/8 of an inch wider. I will keep that in mind when I size this down. And I also want to mention the grain pattern. It is most normal to have the longer measurement of 45 inches to go with our grain. So the grain length is our longer measurement. So I will make sure my 45 inches gets measured with the grain.